Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. There's more videos that I'm gonna do like this one. So for today's video, gents, please listen carefully because I'm gonna explore a secret coffee recipe especially for you. So let me just change into something more comfortable, then we can continue. Okay, so that's better. So I'm just gonna show you a coffee recipe that I stumbled upon at some point, but this it's really coffee that's gonna benefit you and your woman later on. So if you love coffee like me, why not have coffee that's gonna increase your bank balance? So if you can see with me, I have a couple of ingredients here, and you're wondering what kind of coffee is that, because it seems like it's a lot of ingredients here, but you can Google some of this and the benefits of this, like this powder. I know some people might know about it, but it's not out there that much. This is called maca powder. I hope you can see. So it's from a tree. It's a maca root mostly, and they grind it to make it powder form. I also have cacao here, so this you can get in any shop. Also this as well, you can get from any shop, your grocery stores and so on. And also I have cinnamon. This is also common, I think, for everyone. I also have honey here. It's also just common, and I have also some coconut milk. So we're gonna use all these ingredients to make our coffee today. So what you're gonna need to do is so just have a spoon of the maca root powder. So this coffee, it's guaranteed to boost your libido for men. So just a spoon of the maca root powder. I also add a little bit of a twist with a bit of cocoa. So you can research cocoa, you can research maca root, the benefits. You see what is, I know you guys trust Google so much. If I tell you the benefits, you're still gonna Google anyway, so you can Google that. So I add a little bit of a twist as well, with maybe half a spoon of cocoa powder. And then also just a pinch of cinnamon, not too much, just maybe like a quarter of a teaspoon. And then we can add in our boiled water. Let me just boil that again so that it's. But then if you want, you can also just boil this in a pot for like 2 minutes to 5 minutes if you want. Or you can just do it instantly and just have your coffee ready in no time. So let's just get the water in. Okay, so you're just gonna pour your water directly there. So I've put like up to a third of the cup, so it's somewhere here, so that I'll be able to pour in the coconut milk as well. So I'm just gonna open the coconut milk. I'm gonna pour it so you can see how it looks. So it's just milk from a coconut in a way. So I'm gonna pour that in. So that my cup is almost full now. And then, oh, my spoon is, okay, let me use a different spoon. And then we're gonna add in our honey. So it could be a spoon depending on how sweet you like your coffee. So with me, I don't really like too much of sweet stuff. So I'm gonna put in like just a spoon of honey. And then we stir that so that everything dissolves well and yeah. So maca actually has a bit of a flavor that is close to coffee. So when you drink this, you won't even feel like you're not having coffee. It will still taste just a bit of like coffee, especially because I added the cocoa as well. So it's just gonna give it that boost so that it has that coffee taste that you used to, the normal one. So you just stir that until it dissolves, and then you can enjoy coffee, knowing also that you're gonna benefit from this later on. So I don't know if you can see, but it looks pretty much like any other coffee. It looks a bit rich, but that's how it's supposed to be. It's gonna boost your bank balance there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time when I do another video, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of other videos for whether it's cooking, I'm gonna do some DJ mixes, yeah, I'm gonna just do a whole lot of different videos. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Till next time.